हम्म, तो सेल्स प्रोसेस में हम यहाँ तक पहुंचे थे, रीच टू द inquiry and quotation, right? And order is still not completed, but we stop that. So let's first we check the status of the inquiry and quotation, then we move to the sales order. Oh, one second. Just check. Inquiry, quotation, order completed. Order is still open. Na? We reached to the order, but we not yet completed the order. Okay. So this order doc number 00093. So going to the sales order VA02. Hmm. The order number 93. No. And display document flow, all the details here. This issue, the ISO code assigned to the current country code is not being and the primary flag is not set its currency can therefore be used for the data from the company. No problem. It's not issue. Okay. Okay. So location, billing document, conditions, price, and some other condition type we want to use, we can use also here. Okay. Just like want to give the discount, so we have option. Manually select the discount condition type here. The discount. Otherwise, we maintain the condition record. Then schedule line, date of delivery. Today is the 23rd, right? So we call the date of delivery 23rd. Partner functions, text, any text message, right? What you can say. Let's see from a second line item, schedule line, in the delivery field. Okay, I'm not taking the date of delivery. One second. This is because of in material master, in the second line item, we have maintained the plant delivery time, I think. Let me check. MM02, material number 7151. 7151. And then MRP1, MRP2. MG1. See, this is the reason. Like today, not accepting by system because of this date of. Yeah, just leave it blank, this option. See, no issue. Like 21. No? Okay. Okay. Completely not allowing by system because the date of delivery 27. Okay. This is called availability check. When system will check the availability of the stock, based on that, we can confirm the quantity. So I think the quantity not available. That is the reason. Okay. Let's see complete this 23rd, 7. So here we have two line item. For two line item, we have date of delivery change. First line item, we have a 23rd August with quantity, and second line item, we have 27 date of delivery. Right. Now click on it. So now after the sales order we have completed, we next process in after the sales order, we have a delivery process. Okay. Delivery depend on stock quantity, which is available in warehouse so that we can do the process of delivery. So there is a option called availability check. Okay, the system will perform the checking the availability of the stock in warehouse. Okay, so this option, when we create the material master under the sales general plan data, we maintain this option. Okay, this is called ability check. Daily requirement. Based on this, system will perform the ability check. So when we create the sales order, so in the sales order, we have the, the option for delivery here. Schedule line, the date of delivery 23rd, and we click on shipping tab. So there is a see delivery date, good issue date, all are showing 27, and there is a one second option we have partner display status. Here under the environment availability, system will find the quantity. So here you can see no quantity. Okay, right? We have one transaction code MD02 also, MD04 also we can use to see the stock quantity. So now what as of now what's showing the quantity here? Nothing. Okay, zero quantity, right? We cannot process the delivery because of no quantity available in the warehouse. So in that, first there is a stock balance required. The stock balance basically we check by this transaction code MMB. Okay, this is called stock overview. We give the material number, plant, and store location, and show the total quantity. No quantity here. And second, if quantity not there, when you go to the material master under the MM02 and select view accounting one. Click on accounting one, organization label, and duty P1 and qualify. Go to the so here, see this there no quantity, no inventory value. Okay, no quantity, no inventory value. Okay, see there's nothing. Okay, zero quantity and zero value, and quantity also it's not sure here. Why? Because we don't have any quantity stock balance in warehouse. Okay, so in that case, the concept is called up, update the quantity. Okay, by department, how much quantity we have in the warehouse, they will update in the system. Okay, so this quantity will be updated by department when we create a material by using this material type. So in the material type, let's see, I got the OMH2 transaction code, and we use the material type which one? FERT. And select this FERT, double click on quantity value updating left side. And here, click on position and enter, type the plant GDP1. So there is an option here, quantity updating, value updating, means we give the permission to the system to update the quantity in this plant. But who will update the quantity? The department. So there is a transaction code. As of now, we have seen no quantity, right? By this transaction code MMB, we have seen no quantity, right? So there is a process for updating the quantity. Let's see. There is a transaction code MI0 enter. Here we have option for good receipt, other, and initial entry of stock balance. Movement type 561. This is the one of transaction code to use to update the stock quantity. Like for example, 7151 we have. Then any other material, 7142, right? These two material we have. Camera and mobile. This is the material we have, right? In the sales order. 7142. This material also we can see. Click on shipping tab and then go to the environment and availability. There also, I think this stock, it may be available or not. Well, let's see. Yeah, we can see. So there is this material 715 no quantity and 7142, calling this execute to see if this quantity available. Okay. So I think we have update the quantity for this material only. Let's see, we go to update for another material also. The transaction code, one second. Better I just, one second, I just not required all this material here. I just, one second. MIGO transaction code. We have stock balance for 7142, but 7151 not yet we have. We go to the close the material detail data and here 7151 quantity 1000 store location GDS1 enter. Check and 7 from GT to sorry. One second, just um, check and post. No, I think after check and post, we have see the quantity here also 7142 this quantity of this 1000 and 7151 we have also quantity available, right? See. Okay, now we can process of delivery. So here, let's see, for example, in this sales order, we have two different material and two different material, we have two different date of delivery. This material 7142, the today's date of delivery and 7151, second line item, we have date of delivery different, 27. Okay. So when we create the delivery document based on delivery date, we can process of delivery. The date of delivery for first line item is 23rd, second line item 27. Okay. So now after that order completed and we have stock balance is available, we can go to the process of delivery, right? The delivery process, we have to know the types of delivery first. So I think there is a document I am just showing you. Ah, so here in the delivery process, we have a types of delivery. There is the inbound delivery and outbound delivery. Inbound delivery means just returning by customer, yeah, you coming to the warehouse. That is called inbound delivery. And outbound delivery means we issuing the good to the customer, going out to the delivery. Okay. So there are two types of delivery, inbound and outbound. And transaction code, we have three, VL01 and for create delivery, VL02 and for change, edit, and VL03N for display, create change and display. So there is a basic control of outbound delivery. It is basically controlled by delivery document types. The delivery document basically controlled by delivery document type, just like a sales document controlled by two character document type, IN for inquiry, QT for quotation, or order. Same delivery document also controlled by two character document type. And there is some we have few delivery document type we have to know in the sales order process. There is a LF. This is standard delivery document type. Standard delivery document type we use for after the order. So if you remember, we have gone through this sales document type. Which one? Inquiry quotation order. We go to again VOVA transaction code and we select the document type for order. See, I think so there is a what delivery document type we use for standard order? LF, right? But if there is a written order, so we have a RE for written order document type. For written order, we have delivery type is different. See, that is LR. Okay. So based on requirement, like if we inbound delivery, so we have LR and return delivery, outbound delivery for standard order process. So now here we have LF stand for outbound delivery, LR means return delivery. LOX delivery document type also used for delivery without order. Sometimes we do direct delivery. We don't have required any order number. We do direct delivery. So we use LO. And there is a BV. You know, BV actually used for cash sales delivery. Cash sales where the customer do the cash transaction, order the same time, delivery on the same time. For that, we do the delivery on spot, same time. And we use delivery document type BV. NL actually used for stock transfer. That is for internal, like plant to plant, stock will be transferred. So we use STO. For STO process, STO means stock transfer order, NL. And delivery document type has a table also, header level table, we have LIKP, item data table, LIKS. So let's say first few points we have to know under the delivery document type. Okay, that is the part of logistic execution. And we have to know some basic about the delivery document type. I'm going to show you. Mhm. There is a SPRO, then HCP reference IMG, then logistic execution, shipping, and the shipping we have deliveries, and there is a defined delivery type. And now here we have, see, this is delivery type, document type for cash sales only. Double click. This delivery document has a category, just like sales document has category A, B, C, inquiry, quotation order. So delivery under the J, delivery. This is all outbound delivery. Numbering, here also we have, for every delivery document, system will generate the number. We have two type of numbering, internal system generated, or we have option to give manual. This option we have, for this delivery, we have required the sales order number, and there is a LS. This is for outbound delivery. This is used for standard order. Here also delivery document type J, number is internal, external. For this delivery document, we have required the sales order number. So this is sales order required. Okay. And there is a LR. See, we have LR delivery document type also here. This is for return delivery. Yeah? For this return delivery document type, we have document category T. T is the return delivery for order. Okay, this is the return delivery for order. And there is a one more delivery document type, that is LO. The delivery document without order reference. For this delivery, we don't have required the order number. Double click. See, है ना? This no preceding document required. No order number. And every delivery document type has number range assigned. Internal, external. This number range where it defined. Let's see. I go back and there is a same page. There is a define number is for deliveries. Just like we define the number is for sales, document, inquiry, quotation order, same here. Change interval, and we have, and see, 17 and 18. 17 and 18. 17 is internal, 18 is external. With chalk box, external, and this is a series number, 800 to 805, 8399 and something, number is for delivery document. And when we create the sales order, if you remember, we come to the sales order page, there is an option called delivery block. Yeah. Change in quality, yes, credit limit expire over, This is we have manually selection here, but this delivery region for block are basically defined under the here. Here, see, there is a defined region for blocking and shipping. Defined region for blocking and shipping. So see here, this is credit limit, no printing, change in quality. This is all are defined by consultant and that is used by individual while creating the delivery. That time it will be brought for delivery with region like credit limited over some other region like this is the region. We can take the order, but we cannot do the delivery process. Okay. Let's say, for example, I select this any option for credit limited over and click on save. Okay. Now come back to the create the delivery. To create delivery, we have VL01N. Okay. Let's see, just going back to the main page. There is a logistics, then sales and distribution, then shipping and transportation, outbound delivery, create single document under single document VH01N. This is for with the order reference. See, here I just give the order number, shipping point. Okay, like shipping point, we have GDS1. And delivery type LF. When you enter LF, yeah, see, system is giving the message, sales order is blocked for delivery. Means we have activated the delivery block option, right? So delivery block option is there in the sales order. We cannot process for delivery. Okay, VH02. Go to the order change mode. And here I'll unselect the checkbox. Add this box. Now here let's see the delivery blocking region we define here, and the delivery blocking region assigned to the delivery type also. For example, standard delivery document type we have LF. So there is assigned region assigned here. This region assigned. This region assigned here. Multiple region we have assigned. Now we have for delivery we have two transaction code. Let's see. I'm just going to show you. Single document VL01N with reference to sales order and VL01N without order reference. Just give me 1 second. Just a minute. Hmm. So there is a VL01NO, sorry, VL0N and a VL01N with reference to sales order means here we need a sales order number reference. Okay. And VL01NO, this is no order number required. This is we do direct delivery. If we go to the VL01NO, the no order number required. Only shipping point, delivery type, but here delivery type is not LF. It is LO, delivery without order reference. Then sales organization, distribution channel, division. And here customer who receiving the goods, date of issue the goods, material and deliver quantity. This is the one of the process we do delivery without order reference. Right? Now we come to the delivery with order reference. VL01N. Here give the shipping point important. Date of delivery should be the same. 23rd for one line item, 27th for second line item. So when we give the 23rd delivery date and order number and delivery type LF, enter, system will take only one line item. Okay, great, clear. Hmm. Let's we just here once come to this page. System will taking on took only one line item because this item only delivered on 23rd. Second line item also we can do, but on 27th. Now, when it come to this page, there is two level. Just like in sales document, we have three level: header, item, and schedule line. But here, only header and item. Schedule line is already over because when we create the order, schedule line is there. Not schedule line in delivery document. So now here we have option in the header detail. In header detail, it shows the picking date, transportation planning date, loading date, planning issue date, good issue date. When quantity is confirmed for the delivery, first process is picking the goods from the warehouse, then planning for transportation, then loading the transport, and then issue to the customer. Right? This process under the shipment process under the logistic execution. Now, second tab, picking tab. This is the date of picking deadline. Like when you pick the quantity today, anyhow you have to pick the quantity today, and the gross weight, net weight here it is copied by system from the sales document order or plus material master also. Loading, we have click on loading, and there is a loading point. The point from where the product is getting loaded in the transport, that is called loading. Loading point. Transportation group. Okay. Shipment, we have this is a shipping point. There is a incoterm for freight charges. Shipping condition is standard, and shipping type by truck, by mail, or by rail to by truck, for example. This manually maintained. Then international trade, that is not here, for it is for international export process. We do financial processing, that is related to if any billing block option we activate in the billing for the delivery, we have option. Partner, like we have partner function who receive the good, that is called ship to party. Text, any text message at header level from the header notes and instruction we maintain. This is all header level. Now back and select the item line, double click this information at item level. Processing, material description, unit transportation group, loading group, then picking tab. Now, here we have option like this is the uh, plant, store location, loading and shipment about the loading group and transportation group plus who the shipper receiving the goods. And text, any text message about the material we maintain. Condition not required anything because the pricing. Now back and on the main page where we have a picking tab. Here, click on picking, and here we give the picking quantity. What much quantity? 10 quantity. We give the picking quantity here. Loading already we have loading quantity same. Shipment also the same. Status overview. It shows the goods movement status. So as of now, we have not yet completed the delivery process. It show A, not yet processed. When you complete, then it show completely processed. So how we do the issue the goods after verifying all the details? Goods movement data, it's a movement type 601 for issue for delivery. All are verified, then click on this button, PGI, post good issue. Once you do the post good issue, system will generate the delivery document number and system will generate the material document number. Okay, this material document number in MM, the delivery document number the in SD. Okay, now when complete the delivery process, we go to the back and VL02 and change mode. Okay, give the delivery document number, enter, and click on status overview. Now status is changed from A to C. And completely processed. And here also we have option called this option where the option document flow. When you click on document flow, it shows the status. Outbound delivery in progress. Now it's completed. Request and delivery process also completed. Right. The status it show here. Okay. 1 second. Now, one more important thing, I'm going back. One system will generate the two document number, right? One is material document number. So if you want to check the material document number, they go to the MIGO transaction code. And here there is option called display. So here this is the material document number. Okay, enter. It show this camera, how much quantity, 10 quantity issued to the customer. This is another material master management record. They will maintain. And once you issue the goods, you can back to the stock overview again. See, this is 1 second, 71442. Total this material. We have total 1,000 quantity was there. When you click on execute, now it shows 990 quantity. Means 10 quantity has been issued from the system. Okay. Clear? So now after the delivery process is done, we have next process is billing process. Okay. So once delivery document is generated, the system will create the delivery document number. Then we can process of delivery. Okay. Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So just this we have now completed the delivery process, and then we'll see the next process, which is called billing process. And billing,
Yeah, yeah.
item category. Remember we have item category. What is the item category? Standard order. We go to the view, we say when, and there is a item category standard order. We have PAN. Select and double click. What billing relevance here? This is deliberated billing. Means until delivery document is not generated in system, we are not allowed to do the billing process to the customer. Okay. So that means once the delivery document is generated, we do the billing with the reference of delivery document number. Okay. So delivery document number required for billing process. So billing is the last step in the sales and distribution module. And once we issue the invoice to the customer, we also release the invoice to the account department for payment processing. Okay. So after the delivery process is done, we go for the one. So now here, just like we have seen that there are two character delivery document type, we have billing type document type also. Billing type we have, this is example of billing document. Billing document type basically control the processing of billing documents such as invoice issued to the customer, or there is some other also credit and debit memo. Credit and debit memo concept is different. Like suppose customer will claim any difference in amount paid return, so we use the credit memo request. A debit memo when company will claim to the customer to pay the difference amount. The billing document type control the entire billing document, just like a sales document control the sales document processing. Same billing document control the billing processing. So in the billing document type, we have some example of billing document here mentioned. One second. This is the billing document I've used for. One second. Whether I just see here. This is the some of the billing document example here I mentioned. One second. Wait, wait. See, for example, F2. This is a deliberated invoice. F2 basically used for after the delivery process, we do the billing process. Deliberated invoice. So if this is also we have maintained the sales document. We go to the sales document header label. Okay. So there is again once again VOVA transaction code. Select that order type, and here there is a delivery billing. This is F2 standard we use. So this is a standard billing document I use after the sales order and delivery process return. Apart from that, some other billing document we have G2, that is for credit memo. Credit memo basically, just take example, when customer will claim the difference amount. Suppose order value was 10,000, but we have charged to the customer instead of 10,000, 11,000, for example. Yeah, any difference amount in terms of amount or in terms of percent discount also. So the customer will claim for different amount. And customer will claim the what is the different amount? 1,000 will be given back. This amount will be claimed by customer. So based on his complaint, we do the credit memo request and debit memo for just opposite, where we do the claims to the customer to pay the difference. Or this billing document have credit and debit memo. This RE actually used for return order process. When customer do the return the goods, return order, return delivery we complete, then customer want refund the money. When customer want to refund the money, So we do refund the money billing for this. Sorry, we do the return billing by this billing type RE, return for payment. And S1 for cancellation of invoice, S2 for cancellation of credit payment. Cancellation of invoice means if any time when you want to cancel the invoice, we do the cancellation. Or IV basically used for intercompany billing. Okay, intercompany billing basically used for two company code. Just like we have Godrej has two company code, so that time we do the intercompany. So now we have to know that some basic point of the billing document. And billing document first important is number range. Every billing document type has a number range assigned, and the only one number range. There is only internal number, no external number. So till delivery document, we have option for assign the two type of number range: inquiry, quotation, sales order, and delivery. Till we have two options: either internal number, external number. Internal system generated, external user manual. User can give manual. But in for the billing document, we have only internal number required. And billing document type also used to cancel the billing document. Like for example, any point we want to cancel the invoice, we can cancel the invoice with some reason. And after we issue the invoice to the customer, the status of the billing document transfer to the financial accounting, finance department for payment processing. Okay. Like if we issue the invoice to the customer and release to the account department for payment processing. And if at any point we want to block for the transfer to the account department, you don't want to generate the billing document because of reason is as some calculation is missing, incomplete the price, and some verification required. So we have blocking option, block for transfer to the finance department, and there is a integration. After the invoice we generate, we have to transfer the invoice to the account department. Then there is an integration with finance department to updating the value of the invoice to the account department. So that point we will see after this billing document process. Okay. And we issue the invoice to the customer and then we give the hard copy, print out or mail. We have output determination, taking the output of the document. Like so, there is a transaction code VOFA. This transaction code for defined billing types of billing. Or otherwise, we have a this step we follow SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then sales and distribution, and billing, and then billing document, and then define billing document. Okay. So just like we have seen some control attributes in the price in sales document inquiry quotation order. We also had to know some basic control of the billing document, what attribute value, what field is important in the billing document, we have to understand. So let's first, before going to see how to create the billing for the customer invoice, we check the back end process of the billing document type and what the number is, where we assign the number is the billing document, where the integration with the finance module to posting the billing to the account department, right? Okay, so we'll see in the system. Right, let's see. We have a direct transition code. SAP has given the option, you can use direct transition code, VOFA, enter, come to the direct display, define billing type. And there is a step to follow, SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution, billing. In billing, we have billing document. Now in the billing document we have, let's say 1 second, define billing document type. Okay. And the define billing document type for sales, we have define billing type for sales again. Now here we have double click. You can see, there is a billing document type for standard order process. We have F2 invoice. And we can use standard, or suppose anything you want to do changes. So this option we can do copy edge, rename, like see copy and edge and some Z. For example, I want to give a, ZGF2, for example. This is for, yeah, this is for invoice. So we can do like that. Okay. Instead of standard, we can use our own defined one also. Yeah, copy and click also. Back, and then we have, see, this is GZF2 means Godrej invoice. This Godrej invoice billing document type. First, what we do, we assign to our sales document type. Let's see, for example, my sales document type is standard one. Yeah, customize one, the VOBA transaction code, and come to the sales document type, GBOR. See, here instead of a standard billing document F2, we use our own defined billing document type, that is ticket assigned here. Correct? Seconds. Oh, mm. So what changes we can make in this billing document after copy and rename? Let's see. I'm going back to the again billing document. So uh, first, every billing document type has a number range. This is only internal number, no external number. Internal number, that same as like inquiry quotation order, we define the number range. Same here, we define the number for billing document also. Here I just go back and delete define number range for billing document. This number range same here we have in the inquiry quotation order number. See, this is the number range. So here 19 stand for, see, 19 is a billing document number, only internal. 9 series number. Okay. This is the same way, like transaction code also we have same. VN01. This is for inquiry number range, quotation number range, order number range, delivery document number range. All are number range defined here also. Okay. Now this is the one of the important. Now come back to the again defined billing type. Here we select the billing type get. Yes. Second important point is document category. This is the same like inquiry quotation order has a category. So this is the invoice, a standard invoice we issuing to the customer. So it is under the category M. Okay. But there is another billing document also we have, that like for example return order, a return billing. For example, we have return billing. So return billing we have RE. See, RE for credit for return. In this billing document used for return the money. So this document category different. This is for credit memo, right? We have G2. G2 for credit memo. This billing document also has a category, right? L2, 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 L2 for debit memo. So every billing document type has a category. See, this is for debit memo. Category, functionality of the billing document, right? Is important. Now, say next option we have posting block. Suppose this option we have selected here, we can't generate that billing document. Okay, we have a posting block option. We can do the billing internally, but we not post to the finance department. This is for posting block billing. This transaction group actually a group used for only particular transaction code for billing. So transaction code for billing we have three. There is a VF01 create, VF02, VF03. The transaction code actually grouped under the one area that is called transaction group. See, this transaction group is basically used for grouping the transaction code for the particular document. The billing document we have transaction code. Now here we have relevant for rebate. Relevant for rebate means like after the payment is done by customer, we giving some amount back to the customer, just like a cash back, something. So this billing document is relevant for rebate or not? So we have to select the option. There is an option for cancellation of invoice. Suppose customer want to cancel the invoice for any point. We have an option for cancellation of invoice. Invoice list type actually used for list of invoice. Suppose customer want to send the list of invoice in a monthly basis. So we use this invoice list type. Now below this option we have this area, account assignment pricing. This is under the, okay, this is under the account finance module. This is the integration. So after the billing document we generate, we issue to the finance department, that means release to the account department. So we have to know this account determination concept, how the billing invoice goes to the correct GL account in finance department. We'll see after that. And this area output determination basically used for taking the output of the document. Like suppose customer want invoice print out. So we do the print out to the customer, send the hard copy. Suppose customer say I want to send the billing document to the mail. So we have a mailing option. This different medium of communication we use for transferring the billing detail, either by hard copy printout or soft copy by mail. So this is the output determination. This two topic is a separate topic we have to know. Account determination and this is called output determination. Uh, Now this is the standard billing document type, but we have some other billing document also we have. And every billing document type only one internal number is required. And there is an option, like suppose you want to block for posting. What is the reason for blocking for post? So there is a region we have here. Define a blocking region for billing. Okay, billing blocking region means like for example, any changes required, pricing missing, calculation is wrong, something, and we want to block for billing. So we have option define billing block. Yeah, we can say define blocking region for billing also. Okay, yes. Now here define billing, define blocking region for billing, and again define a blocking region for billing. Double click. See, है ना, some of the standard region calculation is missing, price incomplete, yeah, some other region. That we have option for block. Okay, we can use this one. This region we standard, we want to create on region, we can create by new, give the region code and give the detail. And this billing blocking region, we assign to the billing document type. So we go to the assign blocking region for billing type. Now here, see, and just like this is the region for calculation and missing. This is region for missing pricing information something. Okay, so let's we'll go to the after the delivery process is completed, we do the billing process. Second. The main page logistics, then sales and distribution. On the sales and distribution, we have billing, and under the billing, we have billing documents, and there is a VF01 to create, VF02 change, edit, VF03 display, and want to cancellation, VF11. So these are transaction code we use. We'll go to the VF01, create. VF01 to create. And 1 second. VF01. Now here, system automatic take the delivery document number. Otherwise, we can give manual the delivery document number. This is because of delivery relevant billing. है ना? We have an item category option. It's delivery link, relevant billing. So when we do the billing, system will ask the delivery document number here. And delivery type, billing type we have, which was F2. Use F2 and billing date. It may be same date we issue the billing to the customer, 23rd. Okay. Enter. This message is coming, ignore it. Enter again. Keep enter. Now system will show the details. Now here we have to label again. This is called display header detail. When you click on header, it shows the header detail like billing date, company code, and some other details. Like this is the area we can see account assigned group customer. Here, if we maintain the account assigned group to customer master, it will be copied from there. Remember, if you go to the business partner, let's see, I'm going to the customer distributor one. In customer master, in the role, one second, there is some issue here. I will change the information. Mm. We select the role FLCU 01 customer sales, then click on sales and distribution. Under the billing tab, you can see click on first switch between display and change. Well, under the billing tab, we have option here account assigning group customer. Based on customer, we have a different general ledger account. So this 01 actually is for domestic revenue. This domestic revenue means the customer who do the domestic transaction, the transaction value will be updated in the domestic revenue account here. And this is for foreign revenue, second one. So we have a domestic revenue, so select this one. Enter and click on save. If it's maintained here, then while doing the billing process, system will copy from there. But we have not maintained the system not copy. Let's see again back and come back to the again VF01 and give the delivery document number and delivery billing type F2, enter, keep enter. Now click on display header details. System is copied from there. Okay. We have maintained the domestic revenue option in the customer. This is for one of the region for posting that billing information to the account department. This is from the customer master, it will be copied. And here system showing the error in accounting interface because as of now we have not integrated with the finance for posting. Here some information, customer group, customer pricing group, terms of payment, info term, this is all copied from the customer master. Then other information like country, region, something. Okay. Header partner like who the customer received the bill to party, condition not required any information, only the price. Okay. Header text, any text message. Okay. Otherwise, you go back. That's it. Now here, select the item line and double click. This is called item level information. Item level information like pricing date and item has which material finished good. That is account assignment group from the material master. This is also one of the importance for posting the invoice to the finance department. If not maintained, system will not allow to posting the invoice to the finance department. This account assignment group material, you know where it maintains in the material master. If you go to the material master MM02 tab under the sales general sales organization 2 tab. See here. You go to the sales organization. See, this is the option we have maintained. So system will copy it from there to the billing document at item level here. Other information like distribution, country, region, or sales order, sales organization, distribution channel, group, all are copied by system from the customer master data. Item partner like customer who receive the billing. Condition, we have price plus discount. This is the condition type. Item text, any text message about the material. These are not verified. Once we verified, when then we click on save. It may be some system will give the warning message, but we keep enter to save the billing document. Enter. System will generate that billing document number, but it show the error in account determination because we have not yet integrated with the finance for posting the bill. Now, after the account determination errors, what we do back and go to the VF02, give the billing document number and enter. Suppose we want to verify again. There is a display header detail. And these are the information we can choose. And there is an option here, display document flow. It shows the status of document. It's still completed, but account determination error is here. So what we do, we once we generate the delivery billing document number, we come to the VF02, give the billing document number here, and this option had release to accounting. Release to accounting means it will be released to the account department for payment processing. But here the error occurred, because of we need a one configuration with the finance department for posting the billing to the account department. So this is the concept we have to see in the next topic. After the release, after the post, issue the invoice to the customer, we also release the invoice to the account department for posting, okay, payment processing. And the topic called account determination. Okay. So one second, just so there is a we are in the sales distribution. So till invoice creation, we are the part of sales and distribution. Payment processing actually part of account department. But how they know what are the total invoice detail which they will receive the payment from the customer? We have to post the invoice to the account department. We post the invoice
So
to the
that
account
one
department.
pro forma invoice it comes under which category?
Pro forma invoice, so which is the same category without before order after the order we can direct issue the invoice to the customer without before delivery. Pro forma invoice, pro forma advance invoice.
Advance
Advance
invoice
invoice
for
means
advance.
advance invoice means without complete the delivery process, you ask to the customer to pay the advance. The
Yes.
advance payment, if a customer will do, so we do the pro forma invoice. Okay, so pro forma
Yes.
invoice basically also we use the quotation. Now when we sending the quotation to the customer, we ask to the customer first to pay the advance, then I'll do the process of delivery of this. Okay, just like
Correct.
see, I'm just going to the show you. This is the GD. See, this is a quotation. Sorry, here we have option we have F5 pro forma order, है ना? Pro forma order. This is also we can see VOFA transaction code and this is F5. Pro forma for order. Pro forma for order basically category. This is for only advance payment. You under the U category. Pro forma invoice that is for only advance payment. Okay, this is the one of the important. For this, basically what we do, we issue to the customer on based on order number also or quotation number also. Suppose this is the assigned to the quotation document. So when we do the pro forma invoice, we system will ask the quotation number, right? We go to the quotation number also. To quotation number where we have the details of the invoice, amount material. We do the advance payment. We ask the customer to do the advance payment, and then customer will do the payment. Let's see here, sales and distribution, billing, and we have one second billing document. There is a one second process, micro, sell, block, bit cost. One second, just the same billing document, the transaction code you use because see, in Proforma invoice also, if you go to the one second, just coming to the document for Proforma. VOFA transaction code, and here with the F5 is the invoice for Proforma advance payment transaction group. See, 8, this is a transaction group for 8. 8 transaction group basically used for separate process for Proforma invoice. We don't use the same transaction group, VF01. VF01 for only used for standard billing. Okay, but pro forma invoice, we have some different transaction code we use. This transaction code, actually, I think I have to not remember which we have information system. One second, billing document, VF05. No, this is not required. But let I check the transaction because this transaction code is not the same. we use. For forma invoice, we have a different transaction code. So that transaction code basically you use for asking to the customer to pay advance. First pay the in advance, then we can process of your delivery. Okay, that is why advance payment by customers. So if a customer do the advance payment, so then we do the delivery process. Okay, so that
So
means
on
we
Google,
use the
it is showing VF01.
we have no, no, we have 01. We have 01. So here you can see that, but here I'm selecting. Let's see, for example, this one F5. You know, here also showing, but see, you require the
Hmm.
number. Which number? Quotation number. You know,
Ah,
because in
hmm.
quotation we have maintained, right? So I
Correct.
think there is some example here. Let's see, for example, I come back to the any 1 second. See, this is the actually system will ask the sales document number. Okay. Sales document number under the which customer, yeah, which sales organization. Let's see for the GDS1. So here any number, this is a document number we have. So we can do, okay, the billing document here. So we see this is one of the already we have billing we have done. But suppose for my invoice, so in which basis we do? So order related billing, so we have delivery related billing, so delivery based we do the billing. So for my invoice, we do on which basis? Order based or delivery based? Suppose we have order number. For example, I'm giving the order number enter. So system will ask you the details. See, this is for enter, and this is for your order number. But before delivery, we will ask the customer to release this payment. Okay. Then after we do the delivery. So pro forma invoice I'm creating to sending to the customer on which number, based on which number, tell me here, which number I'm
Quotation
telling.
number.
Quotation number also, order number also. Order number,
Yeah, both.
suppose, see, I'm not delivered. I'm not delivered.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
doing the perform invoice to the customer. So what basis we doing? Order based.
Order
Order
number.
because order number I'm giving enter and system take the details and this perform invoice we send to the customer prior to delivery, before delivery. You know, if a delivery not done,
Yes.
but we giving the customer details of this order number. This is 89,000, 45,000 for the other item. You need to release the payment. Then after we process of delivery. Okay. So this see here a system is taking all two items. Okay. And two items not have the same not at, we have delivered. For example, this item is you have delivered, not delivered. Only we have this item we delivered, right? Correct. First item we had delivered, but this second item not delivered. But we can take the performer, we send the performer invoice to the customer based on this order item number, and this item not delivered to the customer, and we asking to the customer payment do, and we do the process of delivery. This is the so you can use for order also, quotation also, right? Clear? So some of the company,
Yes.
it's a, in your case, you are a service provider company or maintenance for the installation by. So first you take advance payment, right? You're taking the advance payment for the customer. So you do order based pro forma invoice. You send the pro forma invoice to the customer based on the order number. You just estimated cost of the order. This is a two product we are going to install to your location, and for this product price is so and so. So first release the payment. Then I will doing going for installation of this product to your place, right? Am I right? This is the process you're having the company
Yes, sir.
situation. Na? So
Yes,
that
sir.
means you not need to wait for customer after the delivery is done, installation is done, and then asking to the customer to pay, do the payment. No, I am just going before installation of this machine to your place. You do the payment, and on which reference number required for payment, order number. We do the order reference and create the pro forma invoice, send to the customer. Customer will release the payment. Then we process of delivery. Yani installation done. Here, so that is the simple concept of pro forma invoice, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir. One more
So,
thing is there. Yes, sir. Sometimes we do the invoice just
hmm,
for the uh, target purpose, and
target.
when we don't get the order, we don't
Hmm.
get the any order from the client to our
Oh,
dealer, then we
oh.
reverse this invoice. So how we can reverse the invoice?
But the order had not yet been completed.
Which is sometimes what happens for completing the target, we take the order from dealer,
Okay.
but dealer doesn't get the order from customer, and we do the our side billing. But sometimes it happens that budget is
Oh,
not there from client side, so we do the reverse billing to dealer.
oh, reverse billing. Okay, and
Yes, yes.
reverse billing means the already issue the invoice to the dealer, but now his customer is not at confirm for the order. So we do reverse billing.
Yes,
Okay, the reverse
yes, yes,
billing,
yes.
I think we have this scenario have to check. Like we have return order, so we have to billing. Yeah, any reverse billing based on complaint. Yeah, anything like you have different amount. I'll take back from the dealers. So that means we have a G2 and L2, but reverse billing. So I have to check which document we basically use. So here, I think, let me come back to the billing document better. So there is a in the one second. Okay, anyway, I'll just check some information that I will explain you. What are the document type? That is important. Reverse billing, so we have this is also credit for return, and there is some other document. See, reversal also, है ना? This is for reversal or something, है ना? So we have some document type that used for reversal billing. That is a billing document type also we, I think, हाँ सी है ना SINV invoice reversal ठीक है FIC this is for any amount will be returned. Yeah, we just do the cross correct checking you know that what billing document generated to the delivery dealer. Now we do some correction reverse billing and what that because we have not yet completed the process of payment because of some order is cancelled from the dealer side. So in that we have to balance maintain the balance sheet. In that case, what we do, we have what say order number this billing we have done, and in that we do the reference of new another billing document. Let's see, for example, I'm going to VF01, and I'm not going to create direct billing. Okay, I'm going to the with a reference of the billing document we have. Either we can go direct also, and before going to that, we do the reversal process. We need a then one sales document also VOBA transaction report. I think here also one of the document, just like for credit for return. See, yeah, any reversal here. One second, because I have not gone through this process, but I check it. We have no reversal not ticket. So here we have we can take the reference of which billing document to create a credit memo. Huh? Credit memo also we have the document that we use for G2 L2. That for reversal process also we can use. So in that case, when customer, the dealers has not yet completed the process of delivery, we already sent the invoice. Now we have to reverse the invoice. So in that case, we need the that invoice number. Which invoice number? Which already generated to the this dealer, and we create again one request document. That document for reversal the invoice. So in that basis, what we do, we create the reversal process and send to the account department, and they will do the balance for the reversal amount, right? So this scenario, which required for most of the company when they have advance payment done by bid dealers, and then we return the amount to the bid dealer also. So we use. So let us check some information for the reversal process in that. So I'll explain you more about that. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So now here, so after delivered completed billing process also we have done, but not a process of posting the invoice to the finance department because the error is there. Error was related to account determination. So account determination is a topic we have to discuss today. After this, this is called revenue account determination. So this revenue account determination basically is an integration point between two models, sales and distribution and financial module. So here on posting a billing document to account, based on the revenue account determination system, determine the relevant GL account for revenue posting. Like see, for example, we have already generated the invoice, but we not yet released to the accounting department. There is error come. This error is related to account determination. So when we do this integration with finance module, then we can able to post the invoice to the account department, and this is called account determination concept. So here, revenue account determination is one of the critical integration point between SD and FI model. So here on posting billing route, just see here, just I give the example. When come to the posting invoice, see this invoice has, select the line, double click, and what is the condition value here? Price 9,000, discount 1%. These two condition type value will be posted to the correct general ledger account in finance department. The true condition type value will be posted to the correct general ledger account for posting. So that this value will be updated in the account department. 9,000 is a revenue for the company because we're receiving the amount from the customer, 9,000, that is called revenue. And 1%, like we're giving discount to the customer, that is deduction, loss, sales deduction. So these two different condition value, one is revenue, another one is a deduction, will be updating the correct general ledger account in finance department. So for updating this value to the finance department, we have required this topic to complete integration with two modules. See, condition type we have in our sales and distribution, and there is a right side, there is GL account, which is a part of finance module. And who will help to posting the condition type value, 1,000 rupees, 5% discount, 2% tax, 10 rupees freight charges? Account key. This account key playing the mediator. Yeah, we can say account key playing the role of post bridge between two modules. Sorry, two detail pricing detail in GL account. So this the account key is one of the key which help to the system to posting the condition value in the account department. Like price is revenue to the another one GL account, discount is a deduction to the another account, tax is a revenue tax amount come to the another GL account, freight is another revenue it come to the GL account. So this account key actually we when we define the pricing procedure, we know this pricing procedure we have account key. Let I'm going back to show you first. V slash 08 and there is a see these are what is pricing procedure, double clicking the procedure control data. See these are account key for price ERL, discount ERS, tax MWS, and freight ERS. These are account key for posting the value of the finance department. The account key assigned to the GL account. So that this value of the price, 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees, goes to the GL account through this account key. Discount 5% will be posted to another GL account by this account key. So account key helps the asset system to posting the value of condition type in the GL account. So now we'll see this topic, how to do the revenue account determination. So let's we take a short break, and once come back in 5 to 7 minutes, we'll go to this topic. The topic name is revenue account determination. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll take a short break, and I think
Yes, sir.
to
Yes,
8:18 here, so we'll come back by 8:25.
yes, sir.
8:25 we
Sure,
can start. Yeah, sure.
sure, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so now we continue.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Hmm. So revenue account determination basically based on customer and material. Like who the customer, what their uh, currency, in which currency you pay, is it domestic customer or foreign customer, and which material is the type of material we have, three, finished good, trading good, and service. So in Material Master, we have maintained the account assignment group for the material under the sales organization 2 tab, like finished good 03, trading good 01, something. Basically, this account assignment group, let's see, I'm just going to show you first in MM02. Select the material number and sales organization 2 tab. There is a account assignment group here. You can see this is 03. This is maintained to the material master, and based on material 03 stand for finished product. We have another other also 01 for trading, third party, 02 for finish, sorry, service. Okay. And same we have in the customer master also, in the customer master, BP, and under the sales and distribution role, under the billing tab, we have account assignment group for customer. These are two very important. This is basically standard we have, but we define and assign to the customer master data. So let's see first configuration, the revenue account determination. We have account assignment group for the customer and material. We go to the SPRO, then SCP reference IMG. There is a sales and distribution, and there is a basic function, and there is a account assignment costing. Okay, under account assignment costing, there is a revenue account determination. In revenue account determination, first check master data relevant for account assignment. So the master data for two we have. Let's see, first under the check master data relevant for account assignment, define account assignment group for material. And we have three account assignment group, 01 for training, 02 for uh, this performance, and 03 for finished good. So this is actually defined by a consultant and maintained by end user to the material master. Right. And same like we have once again, we have account assignment group for the customer also, define account assignment group for customers. This is C, है ना, 01 for domestic revenue, 02 for foreign. This is defined here and assigned to the customer master under the billing tab here. The first criteria, account assignment group will be correct for the customer and material assigned. Then we have next process. In the revenue account determination, we have a condition table. And just like which condition table we for revenue account determination. So here we come to the dependency of revenue account determination. So the dependency of revenue account determination, we have uh, first condition table. We have three options. We can create also, we can change also. See, change condition table. I'm going to this page. And this is one of the standard condition table 001 we use for revenue account determination. See here in this condition table, we have field like account assignment group for the customer, which we have assigned, we have seen the customer master here, right? This field and account assignment group for the material, which is maintained the material master under the sales organization 2 tab, and account key, which is maintained to our pricing procedures, right? These three field is important. So account assignment group customer, account assignment group material, account key. 001 table number we use. In case we want to create new also based on the requirement, we have option to create new. Like create condition table for every account determination, any condition number 564 I'm giving, enter, we can use. Account key, account assignment group, customer, material, some other also, feel like complete code. As per requirement, we can do. We can create new condition table also, generate and click on yes, and then click on save local object. So these two options, you want to create your own condition table or we standard, we can have option. So now we have. Next, we have condition table. Then after we have access sequence. Condition table assigned to access sequence, then access sequence assigned to the condition type. So basically, access sequence is a search starting and calling the condition type in the.
You are not audible. Voice is not clear.
Now, fine. Hello. Can you hear me
sir.
now?
It's
So what I'm
breaking
telling, condition,
in between.
condition table that na, that is a combination of field we basically use to maintain the detail. So that condition table we have
Hello,
three field account assigned group for customer based on customer like domestic customer, the domestic revenue.
hello,
Account assigned, yes, hello,
hello,
I'm not audible. Yes, I'm not audible. Hello,
hello. Sir,
yeah,
your
one
voice is
second.
not audible. It's not clear.
1 second. Let me check why it's.
No, now it's clear, sir. Now it's clear.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. So now here we have seen create condition table. We use the condition table number new 1264 or we have 001 condition table. This condition table used for revenue account determination. After the condition table, we have next access sequence. Back and there is a define access sequences and account determination type. So now here we have define access sequence and account determination type. So we have first define access sequence stage for revenue account determination. Now here we have a standard. See, we use a standard access sequence. See, this is KOFI, account determination access sequence. Select the line, double click the access stage. So we have this all condition table assigned here. Better what we do, we can copy from the standard KOFI and then copy it and just rename just like Z something. Okay, something. And there is a short description, full description, copy all and continue. Now here we can add our name also like what enter and click on save. When you copy, system will copy all the tables from the standard one, like this line, left side double click access page, see, and here we have all the standard condition table. Suppose you want to assign new condition table also, the new entries, table number 60, and here, sorry, 60 step 5, 64, we assign. This condition table has this, we have maintained our own fields, select the line, left side double click on the field and enter button. So under this condition, sorry, access sequence, we have this condition table assigned, right? Suppose any condition table we don't require, we can remove from here. Like for example, this condition table not required, so we can remove. So condition table assigned to access sequence, and now back and go to the next. Define account determination type. That is called condition type. The access sequence we define and assign the condition table. Then come to the define account determination type. And here also we have a standard. See, this is a standard KOFI. Okay, either you can use the standard or new entries. You can give the just like example GOFI. Instead of KOFI, I'm giving GOFI. And here we got it. Account determination. And here under this access sequence column, we select the access sequence for revenue account determination. See this one. The condition type is defined and assign the access sequence here. And next, we have procedures. Back and there is a next. So before going here, define and assign account determination procedure. So here first, let's we come to the define account determination procedure. See here. See, this is the procedure we have standard KOFI 00. This where it defined, where it assigned. If we're coming back to the once again the sales document, sorry, billing document type. If you remember, we go to the billing document VOFA transaction code VOFA. We have seen the billing document type. Which one? Standard or we have customized billing document type. This one. See, in this billing document type, we have this is a standard KOFI 00. This is the procedure for revenue account determination. This is the procedure for revenue account determination. So this is the standard. But actually, this procedure defined here. See, this is defined here, KOFI. This is defined here. So this is the procedure assigned to the billing document here. What we do here, we can use the standard procedure here, or we do copy just like a copy edge. And instead of this one, I'm giving Godrej, you know, like that. Enter. Copy all, continue. And instead of this one, I'm giving the name also. Got it. Enter and click on save. Now, after we rename, we select this line, double click the control data. And under the condition type column, see, this is the standard condition type, but we have defined our own. We apply here. Now here, let me explain you about these two condition type. This is for account determination at finance module. Another condition type, this is the account determination for the controlling. Controlling is the one of the other module, the part of finance and controlling, where the cost center, production cost, something. So this is the another condition type. So we basically use for finance department, KOFI. Instead of KOFI, I have assigned my own condition type, GOFI, under the procedure, this one. Then click on save. So define the procedure and assign the condition type here. And now finally, we go back to assign this procedure to the account determination procedure assigned to the billing document. Billing document, which one? Standard or customized billing document type. So now here, this is the last step. Account determination procedures assignment. And I think we have our billing document. See, hai na? And there instead of a standard procedure, we calling our on procedure here. Enter and click on save. When we assign this procedure to our billing document type, we go back to the separate page where we have going to go to the VOFA transaction code. Enter. Now we select the billing document here. One second, just a minute. See, this is the billing document type. Now here it replaced by our own account determination procedures, right? So this is the concept. We assign the procedure to the billing document type. This all are we do in the SAP sales and distribution module. Now next after that we have under the revenue account determination, there is a account keys. Account keys we have. You remember we have a pricing procedure. We have defined the maintain account key. So here we can see define account key for revenue account determination. Account key for revenue account determination. When we come to here, and there is a some standard example of account key we have ERL for sales revenue, ERS for sales reduction for discount, ERU for rebate, and there is some other like a ERF, where the ERF for freight revenue, MWS for tax. These are the account key we have. Basically, we define here, and it is assigned to the our sales document. Okay, our sales document like sorry, our sales document like condition type. We have price, discount, something, right? So this is the account key we have. Let's see, for example. Sorry, one second, I just ah, this is standard we have. Otherwise, we want to do any new also, we can create new also for the requirement. Like we want to create new also, we can have option to click new entry and define new account key also. This account key basically defined here, and this account key assigned to the pricing procedure. In pricing procedure, we have different condition type for sales, price, discount, tax, freight charges. So different condition type, we link the account key there. So now here, I come to the assign account key for revenue account determination. And for example, my pricing procedure here, this is a pricing procedure, and this is the account key assigned to the different GL account here. Sorry, condition type. Condition type of price, ERL, revenue sale, customer discount, ERS, sale reduction, MWS output tax, this was tax revenue, and ERF for freight revenue. These all are assigned to the condition type. Now, main important thing, this account key we link to the GL. Okay. Otherwise, if not assign the GL account to this account key, the value will not post. See here. This is the concept we have. Now we have the account key for every condition type price, account key ERL, discount, ERS, MWS tax, and freight. and we have GL account, which is defined by FI consultant here. So this integration with account key with GL account, here we do. Right? There is a assigned GL account. Assigned GL account is an integration between two modules, sales and distribution. We have account key, and FI, we have a general ledger account. So we assign the account key to the general ledger account. I'm going to the assign GL account here. Transaction code for assign GL account to the account key, we have DKOA. Now here you can see this is the condition type. Sorry, condition table 564 we define. Condition, different condition table we have 001, 002. So any condition table we select here. Let's see, for example, I'm selecting the 001. It has three fields: customer group, material group, and account. So now we select this condition table 001 and select and double click. Now here we click on new entity button and there is a application based on module we have, the sales and distribution, the V. Condition type that we have defined our own condition type. Remember GFIC. We maintain. Chart of account is one of the main account where we have all the GL account assigned. If you remember when we have defined the company code, we copy from the standard company code, right? Clear?
For GL account.
GL account. So what is the
Double one
purpose
double.
of copy the company code for GL account? So GL account, when you create the company code with a copy from the standard company code, so there is a one transaction code which is the part of finance module that is called FS00. This transaction code FS00 that is used to see the list of general ledger account in our company code. If you FS00 enter, so if you click on this button, change company code, you can give your company code like GTRG. You can see all the GL account here copied. See, suppose anyone created their own company code without copying for the standard company code. So what is the drawback? That no GL account will be copied. Okay, let's see, for example, this company code, enter. See, no value, nothing. We not copied from that. So we copied the company code by standard company code. So all the GL account copied from the standard company code to our company code. So now here I'm selecting my company code, JJ, H, G, H, G, G, D, G, D, G, D. This is the Godrej company. We have with the this one, Godrej Electronics. Enter the system will show all the GL account. Let's say, for example, I'm filling the general ledger account. Different GL account here. Okay. Let's see, for example, click on find button. I'm typing the sales revenue. Sales revenue, enter. System will give the one GL account that is related to sales revenue. See, 80000. This is called sales revenue. This GL account. Okay. So these different GL account we have. This is come under the chart of account. When you click on here, click on information, last one. It shows the chart of account. Which chart of account we have? INT. This is a chart of account, INT. Under this company, we have a chart of account. Under this chart of account, we have GL account. So here system is telling this is a chart of account here. So now what we do here? Chart of account, which one? INT. Right? I'm selecting the INT. Otherwise, you can see in the list also, it shows. INT. One second, sorry. Wait, not click on enter button. Again, click on enter button. Application B, chart of condition type, chart of account. Because of chart account, we have here INT. Now, after that, we have next option, sales organization. We call the sales organization GDS1. Account assignment group based on customer, the domestic revenue 01. Material, which material account assignment group we have 03. And now this is account key, ERL. Okay. ERL for sales revenue, you can see. So what is the sales revenue GL account here? 8. 520. No, this is GL account for sales revenue. So this GL account will be given by FI consultant. We can assign here. Now, one more combination chart of account, sales organization, account assigned group, customer, account group material, account key ERS. This is for sales deduction. So sales deduction, we have another GL account, just like we have searched the GL account for revenue account revenue. Same click on find. We can type sales deduction, for example. It show the sale deduction. This is the GL account for sales deduction. Sales deduction means discount. 88,450. This is the GL account we can here assign. Yeah, sorry. And let's see, for example, one more combination we do that is for once again, this is for tax. Tax also we have GL account. Once again, tax we have tax we have account key MWS. Where the MWS MWS and tax also we have GL account. So we can search here in this click on find button. We type the output tax. This GL account for tax. This GL account actually provided by FI consultant and we have to maintain here. And one more last, we have 0103. One of the another account key that is for freight revenue, that is ERF. And ERF also has one GL account assigned. So here, click on find button and everything type FREIGST freight. And if it shows the freight account, see, freight we have different freight account. You can see, see, let's see, for example, this is a freight account, 828100. So we can assign here. These all are we do here. 28100. Let's see. 8100. Sorry. Assigned and click on. This part we have done. Assignment of all the GL account to the correct account key. Now, let's back. This configuration is over. We have done. Now, let's we try again to release the billing document to the finance department. Going to the VF02 again. Enter. Give the billing document number and click to release to accounting. Okay, it's already showing we have already opened the page. Yes. VF02. Give the billing document number and click on release to accounting. Enter, enter. Document has saved. It's still account error because of some issue. I'm not sure what the issue. It's saved. It's saved. Account the accounting entry. It show all the general account. Okay, it's not showing because it needs time to update. Like in the GL account, it show the details. Okay, this is the accounting entry we have. General entry has not been created because of in finance module they have required some entry. Okay, once again, let us just checking any solution for that because these are under the not SD, it's under the finance. One second, just checking the error message. Checking, give me 1 minute. Huh? Okay, okay. Come here. One second, I'm just checking the what issue here. AC4. So this is the some issue restriction here. This is under the one page. We're not able to access to that page to do the solution. So this is the issue. So anyway, just we have completed the billing with document is also saved. It will be released. It will be released to the account department for payment processing. Okay. Once this document will be released to the account department, the invoice will be released to the account department. Their job is to do the payment processing. In payment processing, they have to go through the accounting. And accounting, there is financial accounting, general ledger, and there is a document entry. See, the document entry they have FB50, inter-GL account determination. Here, what they do, we give the accounting document number, so date of the document, and there is a company code, GL account. You know, just like we have when give different GL account. Let's see, for example, we have GL account for the sales revenue. Hmm. So we can select the GL account from here. See, this is the GL account for 800 for revenue, I think. One second. Freight also, freight also we have. So this is the GL account they will maybe select, and this for debit and credit. This is the account they will make. The amount, how much, well, like 9,000 something, they will update here. So this is actually had business area field required. Business area is not here. Business area, I'm selecting. We have defined standard. I'm selecting. So these are all entry will be done by a finance department for payment processing. Here, this is the last step. So now we have completed this billing. We also released to the account department, and they will do the update of payment. Every 50 transaction code in the finance department, they will do the payment processing. Okay, clear? One second. And there is a one more transaction code I wanted to show you. This is under the finance module, under the account. No, not here. Document. FB02. This transaction code basically to check the document number. In our company code, we have a document number. It show. Let's see, for example, any other company code 1210 or that is not. I'm just going to show you one example how the billing amount will be come to the account department. Let's see any other billing document we have. I'm select finding. One second. One second. Just yeah. See, for example, any other billing document we have. I'm selecting this one. Okay. See, this is the accounting document number. It shows the details here. You can see here, this is the details, sales revenue, sales deduction, freight account, these are all show. Okay, here. So once we release to the account department, this billing in detail will be posted to the correct GL account. See, this is the general ledger view. You click on that. See, this is the debitor account, sales account, freight account. This is the GL account. See, where the GL account. See the we have this is one number 2002, 2004. This is a GL account. So here, system will update the complete value of the invoice to the account department and the account document number. And we have another way to search FB03 also. Okay, we go to the FB03 to see the accounting document number. FB02, FB03 also. See FB03, give the document number, and you can see the details here. Clear? Okay, so let's we'll do the next topic. By tomorrow, we can connect by 8 o'clock, right?
Yes,
Fine.
sir. No problem. No problem. Yes, sir.
I'm sharing this document to you in the mail. A revenue account information document plus delivery and billing document we have completed. I'll share this document to your mail ID. Okay. And by tomorrow,
Yes,
we can connect by 8 o'clock, right?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
then? Yeah. So see you
Okay, sir.
tomorrow
Okay,
in the
okay.
same 8 o'clock. We'll connect. Okay. Good
Yes,
night.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Huh?